So we have this equation. They want us to find the value of 1 all over 64, then do bracket raised to negative 3 all over 2. Solution. Now, 1 all over 64 raised to negative 3 all over 2. We shall write this way: 1 all over 64 raised to negative 3 all over 2. So if you want to do away with the negative sign, then we shall write this one as 1 all over 64 raised to negative 3 all over 2 is the same as 1 all over 64 raised to 3 all over 2. Okay, once we have written it like this, and then this will be equal to, now we can now deal with the denominator. We can deal with the denominator, which is 1 all over 64 raised to now 3 all over 2. Okay, so dealing with the denominator alone, we have 1 all over 64 raised to 3 all over 2. But we also need to know that 64 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when you multiply 2 6 times, you get 64. Therefore, we can say that 64 is the same as 2 raised to 6. 2 raised to 6. Therefore, 1 all over 64 raised to 3 all over 2 is the same as 1 all over 64 raised to 3 all over 2. But we are saying that 64 is the same as 2 raised to 6. Therefore, we can write this one as 1 all over 2 raised to 6 times now 3 all over 2. So 2 here 1, 2 here 3. 3 times 3, we have 9. Therefore, what we have here, remember we are still dealing with the denominator. We shall have 1 all over 2 raised to 9. 2 raised to 9. Now, but remember we have this numerator. Numerator we had 1. Therefore, we shall say this equation now to 1 all over. Now this denominator has reduced to 1 all over 2 raised to 9. So we have 1 all over 2 raised to 9. So this is the same as this 1 divided by 1 all over 2 raised to 9. So we can do away the division sign by introducing the reciprocal of 1 all over 2 raised to 9. So this will be 1 times 2 raised to 9. So which equals 2 raised to 9. So 2 raised to 9 is 5. It's 512. Therefore, the value of 1 all over 64 into bracket raised to negative 3 all over 2 is 512. Thank you for listening.